Did you know that you can write an if formula to evaluate multiple conditions? Well, that is known as a nested if formula. Let me show you how to do it. You will notice here, I have total sales in column B, and I have to calculate the commission for the salespeople. Now, the commission is determined by their total sales amount. And I have my little text box to the side to kind of help me out. You will notice that if the total sales is below 5,000, they receive no commission. If their total sales is between 5,000 and 15,000, their commission is 3%. If their total sales is between 15,000 to 25,000, they will receive 7% of their total sales as a commission. And if their total sales is above $25,000, they receive 10% of the total sales as a commission. So how can I write that as an if formula? And again, when you are writing an if formula that evaluates multiple conditions, that is known as a nested if formula. So let's go ahead and write it out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click into cell C4 and start my nested if formula. It'll start with the equal symbol, which is what all formulas start with. And I'll write the first if function that will be applied when the total sales is greater than $25,000. So that will be written as if, beginning part of a parentheses, B4 greater than $25,000, comma, and if that is true, what I'm going to do is have it multiply B4 times 10%, comma. Well, what happens if it's false? Well, then it's the next condition. So if the first condition is false, then the next condition I want to evaluate is that B4 is greater than 15,000. So once I have my comma, I'm going to start again with another if, beginning part of a parentheses, B4 greater than 15,000, comma, and if that is true, multiply B4 times 7%, comma. Well, what happens if that is false? Well, if that is false, then we're going to write another if formula. Here, it'll be if, beginning part of a parentheses. Well, what's the next condition? Well, if B4 is greater than 5,000, comma, multiply B4 by 3%, comma. And what if that is false? Well, I want 0. So now in order to complete this formula, I'm going to have 3 closing parentheses back to back. And then I'm going to hit my enter key. There we have it. And what I'm going to now do is take my mouse to the lower corner of C4, and I'm going to double click so it will autofill that formula for all the cells below it. And if I take a look, anywhere where there is 0 for the commission, that means that the total sales is less than 5,000. So we have that here, here, and as you can see, this here is a nested if formula. And please don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.